Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahrii if you're new here. Today's video is very simple. It's going to be a blowout with a top knot bun. I use a lot of drugstore products, a lot of old school goodies, and a new gem which is considered high-end, but at the end of the day I like what I came up with. I didn't want to do a wash and go because I didn't want to go through the whole process of drying my hair. I didn't want to straighten it because that's even a process. I'm not gonna lie, blow drying my hair and getting it to this stage was a lot. It took a lot of energy. I have a lot of hair, so if you have a lot of hair and you don't need to add hair, this style is for you. However, if you need to add hair, you can easily do this. Just go search for another video on how to add hair and make you a top knot girl. But so I went ahead and wash and condition my hair using the Shea Moisture Coconut Oil Daily Hydration. I found these industrial size products from Costco when I went shopping on Christmas Eve. And I'm also going to follow up with my Emerge Deep Moisture Mask. I'm going to sit under the dryer for a good 30 minutes. I'm going to detangle, and then we're going to go ahead and get started with the blowout. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I've rinsed out my deep conditioner, and now I'm going to use a concoction of leave-in sprays and leave-ins and oil serums to prep my hair for the blow dry. So starting off with my favorite old-time goodie, Afro G green tea keratin reconstructionizer. This one you guys already know. Everyone has probably have used this or seen this once in their life. I'm mostly going to use this one in the front part of my hair where my highlights are at. And then for the back of my hair, I'm going to use another all-time favorite, which is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In. This one I like to spray in my hands because it's very thick, and then put this one in the back of my hair. Now you can blow dry your hair any way you want. I'm just gonna do it this way. I'm just gonna put one bun up on the side and really get in. So on top of all of that, I'm gonna use this new favorite product, which is the Ajwa Beauty Blue Tansy Serum. It's also a heat protectant. I'm only going to do one pump, which I just dripped. This serum actually dries my hair a little faster. It helps with the drying process. Sorry if I'm like breathing really hard. It's the baby making me sound like this. So this is the brush that I use to blow dry my hair, and I try to do the whole tension method because it just kind of keeps it from getting all tangled up. So I'm going to use hot heat and low. All right, so I had to take a little mini break because I was hungry, so I just had some Chex Mix. So now I'm going to go ahead and do just a simple bun, nothing extravagant. I have some edge booster here, some huge bobby pins of various tools. I have my good old dirty faithful edge brush, boar bristle brush, and my detangling comb. And my hair is already starting to revert back. It's okay. And I have these two hair ties, hair scrunchies. So I'm just gonna kind of comb my hair up into the place that I want it to go, because I have a lot of hair and this can take a minute to try to do. So I'm just using this big old comb to try to get it up. Just like that, right? Looking kinds of crazy. And then I'm gonna work on my edges. Zoom you in. Gotta pull that out. And I'm pretty much gonna use a lot of this because I don't plan on doing my hair for a minute. So I want this to stay for a while. But you definitely don't have to use this much. This is just my personal preference. So then I'm going to smash this in. Just like that. I'm gonna take this comb and really get this in there. I'm going to take this and put some edge control on there. Okay, now that my edges are like that, now I'm gonna work on actually putting this up where I need it to go. I'm gonna use some more of this oil to help smooth the back up. So I pretty much did a ninja knot bun. I'm gonna tie this down. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into this week's video. I hope you guys try out this style, especially if you're over your hair and have no clue what to do with it. A cute top knot, a messy bun, a donut bun, whatever you feel like bunning for that day. It's a quick and easy style. Just do it, okay? Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. I am trying to make it on YouTube this year. That's my goal, and I need it, and I need your help to do that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.